So I spent the last few hours with the man who's a victim of terrible fraud, and the Clark County government refuses to help him at all. Here's what happened. He's a legal immigrant to the United States. He's a U.S. citizen. He was living the American dream, started a small business, bought a piece of investment property and was renting that out, and his renter quit paying him. So he did what any of us would do, legally filed to have her evicted. But in the meantime, while he's in the process of getting the eviction, she goes and files papers with the Clark County Recorder's Office that says he gave her the house, which he did not. She forged his signature. She forged a notary. She committed fraud, and the Clark County Recorder's Office did what they often do, just rubber stamp that. Now on the day that she's evicted, she actually owns the house per the legal record at the Recorder's Office. In fact, the only way he found out about this at all was that a friend told him, and a friend told him because this woman applied for rental assistance and also forged the name of the property manager at that property to get rental assistance. And that's how this guy found out. So he goes to the Recorder's Office, and the Recorder's Office tells him, yeah, I'm sorry, it stinks for you, but you need to hire an attorney because we can't do anything. She's recorded this on that property, and we can't do anything unless you bring us a court order to alter that or correct that recording. So the assessor's office tells him, and they only found the mistake and sent her a letter, not him. They sent her, the fraudster, a letter and said, yeah, we found a little issue here. You need to get something corrected. And you know why they found that? Because the taxes weren't right. Seems that's the only thing they care about in Clark County, collecting the taxes, not fighting fraud or protecting you, the homeowner. So he goes to the police. I've got a copy of the police report. By the way, I got a copy of all these documents. He goes to the police. The police detective tells him, yeah, this kind of thing happens a lot. The prosecutor's probably not going to mess with it because they're large dollar amounts, and yours is only $100,000 or so, by the way. And the police report indicates they know she committed fraud. They know she committed forgery. She applied for a loan against this guy's property, which is a federal felony, mortgage fraud. All of that, and no one in Clark County government wants to help this man get his property back, protect him from this fraudster. And by the way, the day that he had her evicted, she moved back into his property later that day, and she still lives there, and nobody wants to help him. Folks, you and I deserve better than that for our tax dollars. And that's the reason I decided to run for Clark County Recorder, because we deserve better than we're getting. I'm John Evans, candidate for Clark County Recorder, and I'd appreciate your vote.